This is a freshly picked tomato from my dad's garden in Minnesota. I'm going to eat it all with salt right now. Fresh tomato, straight out of the garden. A little bit of salt. You're doing some painting over here.
Oh yeah, and I hear your boys would love to do this.
Yeah, I've got one that really likes it. Look at that, you and technology, using an iPad. Oh yeah, and you can zoom in on it. I mean, look at that. Is that their dog?
It is.
Dog?
Yep. This is supposed to be Buffy.
Buffy, okay. Hey everybody!
Hey back there in the wagon!
Okay, Ashton, go get us a piece of corn while I'll try it. At the top, rip it down. Yep.
Yep.
Straight down, straight down. Keep going. There
Good
you go.
job. I'll peel it. It's not cooked.
Don't eat that. What's it taste like?
Lemons. See, it tastes normal. Out of the way! Whoa!
What's the matter? Can't walk across the gravel?
Me?
You can. Let's see it.
Ready?
Let's see what you got. Oh, look, like nothing. Like nothing.
And you can use that.
What's wrong? What happened? What happened? Ashton kicked you in the leg?
Yeah.
Oh, do you need a hug?
Here you go.
I'll hug you. Oh, okay. She's been making waffles for 85 years.
Wait, how old is she?
Well, she's been making waffles for 85 years. She probably didn't learn until she was about 20. So she's got to be 100 and something.
Huh?
Oh my goodness, that's so gross. Oh, gross. No, not in my ears. That's so gross. Why are we doing this? Nice shot!
They're being crazy. I put road cars and I forget them. Here, you go. Come on, Grandma Marianne, get in here. Yeah, ready?
Do it!
Do one more just for good measure.
Oh, we're still recording. Okay, so we're about to get out and see if Nia left her ball at a rest area before we went on our trip. So we left on Wednesday. So we would have left it here Wednesday, and it's now Saturday. And I'm gonna see if the ball is still there. Come on, Nia. Let's go get your ball. Let's go get your ball. Let's go get your ball. Should we go get your ball? Come on. Where is it? Do you find it? Come on. Where? I don't see it. Somebody probably took it. Somebody put it in the garbage. You did not find the ball. It's not out here, Nia. Next time, you need to bring your ball with us. You're in so much trouble. Ready, go! Sister down, sister down. time to go yet? Are we home yet?